Hello everyone. Today I have something incredible to share with you. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create content and convert it into PowerPoint presentation. Let's dive in. So let's go to our browser and I'm going to the ChatGPT website. Alright, landed on the ChatGPT website. I have two options here, GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. I'm going to switch to GPT 4. If you don't have that option, GPT 3.5 works fine too. So next, down here, you're going to type your prompt. So I already have it typed here. I'm going to copy and paste it for the sake of time. I'm going to ask it to create an outline for a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation about the history of electricity, and hit the send button. So it's creating the content. Slide number 4, number 5 is conclusion. Okay, it finished creating the outline. Next step is to convert this content in the outline to HTML. Right. Convert outline to HTML. So it finished converting the outline to HTML format. Next, I'm going to copy it, the code, and I'm going to paste it into Notepad. Paste it here, and I'm going to save it as HTML file. I'm gonna type history.html. I want to make sure it is HTML file. The extension is HTML. All right. I'm going to save it to my documents folder. All right. So next step is I'm going to open Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to open that file that I saved into my documents. I'm going to find it, and history of electricity, you can see it here. So this is the file. I opened it in Microsoft Word. Next step is I'm going to file, save it, save as. I'm going to save it. It is HTML, so I'm going to save it as Word document, and I'm going to hit save. And the next step is to turn on the autosave. Save it to my OneDrive. Right. So you see it already saved to my OneDrive. Next, I'm going to go to my browser and open my Office 365. All right, and I'm going to find that file I opened. Here's the file, history electricity. I'm going to open that. It's going to open the file. Here you go. Here is the file with outline. And next step is going to file and under export. and export to PowerPoint. Is exporting the file, and you can see it's already identified the theme, and it's giving us different design. I'm going to select this and say export. Pairing the slides. The presentation is ready. Open presentation. So the slides are ready. Next, I'm going to go to editing and open in desktop application. This is right now on OneDrive. If you want to further edit it, you can open it in desktop application. Continue. And it's going to open your slides on your computer application. Alright. So this was a quick tutorial showing you how to create content using ChatGPT and convert it into PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, your likes, comments and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos. So don't forget to hit those buttons. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care.